everyone, it's Miss Amy, and today we're going to do a springtime like door hanger or wall hanger or whatever. What you need, it's going to be a hatching birds. Birds sing because spring birds are laying eggs and babies are hatching and stuff. So you need a paper plate or a piece of paper circle, cardstock circle, some extra white, some green for leaves, yellow for goldfinch bird, or blue, you could use blue, some brown, and I'm just using scraps that I have around the library for like hay or grasses that the nest will be built out of. And then this happens to be a magazine page that I'm going to use the brown for the limb. And then I have some blue for the sky. And yarn, scissors, markers, pencil, colored glue stick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little bit of blue. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace the blue just like this so that I have blue sky. Really simple. Okay, so blue sky. Go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and put it right down, right on there. So we have it like that, blue sky. Okay, and then I'm going to make some branches. Okay, so branches, let's do. So let's go like this. One, and here's two, like that. Okay. So, some branches. Let me go ahead and get those cut out, like that. Okay, so now my branches are set. I can make more branches if I decide that I would like to. I'm going to do that like that. So I'm going to go ahead and just lay that down like that. This one, like this, okay, like that. Okay, so now what I want to do is I'm going to make a couple of little birds. So I'm going to do really, really simple. So we're going to go like this. We're going to go like this, like that, beak, a little tuft, an eye, like that, some feet. Okay, so there is a really simple, easy bird. Make your bird look however you want. I'm going to go ahead and get my bird cut out, and I'm cutting more than one bird at once so that I have babies to put in my nest, like this. Okay, so here we go. And these are like goldfinches, so they're bright, cheery. There we go, and there we are. Okay, so now this one I'm gonna do this way. There's my bird, like that, and little bird, like that. Okay, so there's a couple little birds. Now I'm going to do one that's just a little bigger, because mommy bird. That way, it looks like a different bird. There's the mommy bird. And I'm gonna do this bird without feet, because the mommy bird is gonna be on the nest. So here we go. Just simple, simple, simple. Okay, so there are 3 little birds. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a bunch of leaves. So I'm just gonna go like that. I'm gonna do some here. Okay, and I'm going to fold it and fold it again. Okay, and I'm gonna cut some leaves out, leafy shaped, really simple leaf, like that. Okay, ooh, nice. All right, so super easy. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do some leaf shapes, add some details to my leaves, like that. Okay, so I'll do a few more leaves. And remember, leaves can be all different shapes and sizes. They're not all the same, because leaves grow at different rates, and some are in shadows. So here we go, and that way I'll have a bunch of leaves to use. There we go. All right, so now I have a bunch of leaves to use. Okay, so let's put these on now. So last thing I want to do is, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut all kinds of little pieces like this. So this is like straw or grass. It's the things that birds find and use in their nests. Yesterday, I was watching a tree swallow pick up turkey feathers that were on the ground, just small inner turkey feathers, and he was bringing them back to their nest in the birdhouse at my house. Okay, so now I have a whole bunch of nesting material, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a few of these down, not all of them. I'm going to put a few down I'm gonna put a couple leaves down on the ground. It's sticky. Okay, so, and I'm gonna put some nests. I'm gonna do like this. Okay, so that I can put these on here. Just gonna go back and forth and kind of weave it like this and across like that, and here, and let's see, here and here, like that. Okay, like that. So there is a nest, and I'm going to tuck some of the little birds into the nest like that, and put one down here like that, and then I'm going to put a few more of the grasses and things because the bird is in the nest, so he's kind of in there like that. And then more leaves all over, leaves and leaves and leaves like that, and down here there's leaves and more leaves in the nest like that. Let's see, let's put another one here. Okay, over here. You can have some of them sticking off the side of yours, and I'm going to put the mama bird up on top because she is watching and keeping watch over her babies. Okay, and then the last thing that I'm going to do is I am going to cut a little piece right here. I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to stick it down and stick it down, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it like this, just like that. And there you are. There is your nesting bird craft. I hope you have fun doing this. You can add clouds or sunshine. You can make it a bluebird. You can put more leaves, more branches, whatever you would like. Have fun creating. Happy spring, Miss Amy.